Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, we are back again with the new fresh off-campus jobs and internship opportunities from Bajaj, Cadence, BD and Wellfound. So there is no percentage criteria, all freshers can apply. This is a direct hiring opportunity, so you must apply. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring update is from Wellfound. Wellfound is hiring for software engineering intern. So this is an internship opportunity where the candidates who are pursuing their final or pre-final year or the candidates who have just completed their degree in BE BTech, ME MTech, they can apply for this internship. So talking about the eligibility and skills, as they haven't mentioned about any percentage criteria and the specific branches. So all branches are eligible to apply, but you must be having a strong knowledge in computer science fundamentals with a knowledge in web and mobile application, as they are hiring for the role of full stack software engineering. So you must be having a basic knowledge related to full stack development. You should be having a knowledge in any one of the programming languages with a knowledge in any one of the frameworks like Express.js, Loopback or Nest.js. You should be also having experience in using SQL and NoSQL databases with the knowledge in data structures and algorithms, and you should be familiar with any of the front-end frameworks like React.js, Angular.js, which will be an advantage for this role, but it is not mandatory. The duration of the internship will be of 3 months, where you will be expected to work at Bangalore location from Monday to Friday, where the working hours will be from 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM. So if you are a candidate who are pursuing your BE BTech, ME MTech degree from any of the colleges in India, where you can apply for this opportunity. Second hiring update is from Bajaj. Bajaj is hiring for the role of management trainee. So talking about the eligibility and skills, then you should be having a graduate or postgraduate degree in any of the branches or fields with experience from 0 to 1 years. They are hiring for the Pune location, where you will be directly involved in the departments related to business development and relationship management, where you will be involved in the marketing agency team with IT awareness. So to apply for this opportunity, you should be having good communication skills with a good analytical and problem solving skills, and you should be having a good knowledge in MS Office. Third hiring update is from Cadence. Cadence is hiring for intern for design engineering role for Bangalore location. So talking about the skills, then you should be having your BE BTech, ME MTech degree in electronics or computer science engineering with a knowledge in digital and analog skills, where you should be able to solve problems. You will be working in a team where you should be having strong ability and passion to learn new technologies. So the duration of the internship will be of 11 months at Bangalore location. So the candidates who are pursuing their BE BTech, ME MTech degree from computer science or electronics from any university or college, then you must apply for this internship. Fourth hiring and the last hiring update for this video is from BD. BD is also hiring for the role of intern at Bangalore location. So talking about the education and skills, then the graduate or postgraduate who are continuing their degree and are in second year or third year of their course, they can apply for this opportunity. You should be having a strong written and verbal communication skills with the ability to learn and adapt new technologies. Talking about the company BD, BD is one of the largest global medical technology company in the world. So basically it is a health related company, but they are hiring for the role of engineering department. So you must apply for this opportunity, and this will be a work from office internship. So you will be working from the Bangalore location. So these were the 4 hiring opportunities. So the candidates who have recently completed or currently pursuing their degree from any branches or colleges, they must apply for this opportunity. And if you like the video, do hit the like button. Also share with all your friends, those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities. So this much for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.